In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create an SEO optimized, modern, beautiful looking website that you can start your blog on that will actually be indexed and will rank on Google. And you can do this for completely free. As you can see, we are using bolt.new, but what we're not doing is we're not building this website from scratch, because if we did, it would cost us a lot of tokens and it would take us a lot longer. Now, the problem that most people run into if they're building websites on Bolt is that the websites will not rank because they're not HTML and they're not static, they're code heavy. And the way you get around that is by using Astro. Now, Astro is only available on bolt.new, but it's a framework that allows you to create HTML and static websites. So if we head over to resources and themes, we will be able to see a bunch of different themes in which we can get started with. Now, some are paid and some are free. If I explore all new themes and I go to free, I will be able to see all of the themes, and we can get started with any one of these themes. There's a variety of different templates or themes in which you can choose from. Now, I really like this template here. It's called the Marketing Developer Blog template, and to use it, just head over to Get Started, and this is where the magic happens. We're going to either copy over, you have the ability to copy this over, or what you can do is you can head over to fork, and you can fork this. So that means you're essentially creating a duplicate of this specific code. So I've already done that. So once you go ahead and create a new fork, it'll create a new fork on your new GitHub account. So once that's done, we're going to head back over to Bolt, and we're going to use the import from GitHub, and the repository's name is free Astro template 2. So I'm going to go back to this, and as you can see, free Astro template 2 is there. It's going to tell me that it might be too large, whatever, that's fine. And then you literally just click choose this repository. Also, if you're looking for a very powerful tool to combine with your website to create SEO optimized content, I definitely recommend checking out WordRocket. It's a tool that I built from the ground up, and it's really, really good. It allows you to create SEO optimized live web research content with images in one click. And we have a lot of really good reviews and feedback. So if you want to check it out, the link will be in the description below today's video. Once you choose that repository, it'll upload to Bolt. It'll take a few seconds for it to upload the code, but then you'll have a base website built without using any of your actual tokens, which will allow you to then build even faster because you have a good foundation that you have built already. So now what you can do is you can customize this website. You can do this for completely free using Bolt because they give you 500k free tokens per day. It will take you a bit longer because you'll have to do a little bit of changes per day. If you wanted to, you can upgrade to a Bolt plan, which is $25 per month, and you can build this website pretty easily. So you have your basis here for your website. Now you just need to update your blog post creation. And it's very easy to do so. As you can see, I literally just told the AI to create me an admin panel where I can upload my blog posts. And I'll give you guys the exact prompt in which you can use to create a blog post admin panel. So for example, if I head over to admin, now you can see that I have a CMS admin panel that I created. I can create a new post, copy over the markdown content, copy over the title, the slug, so on and so forth. And once I post that, it will be posted onto my website. Now, I am still working on getting the content to look the best. Right now, it's still giving me the markdown content, but I will work on this. It takes a little bit of time to get it all right, and I'll share that code with you guys. But as you can see here, you have the full article on your website. Now, the main reason why this works is because it's not going to be code heavy. It's not going to be React heavy. These web pages will actually rank on Google. So again, if I head over to the astro.build website, we can see here that the percentage of real world sites with good core web vitals, so this is Google's web vitals, Astro has 63%. So that means that Astro websites load faster and they have better core web vitals than WordPress. And you also have so much more customization options, because if you wanted to create, let's say, a custom chatbot or a custom calculator tool or whatever you want to do, you can just tell the AI to create that on your website. I've used this same method and different themes to build websites. So for example, this is a website that I built, and we can actually go ahead and test the core web vitals. We can see that the performance is 95, accessibility 96, best practices 96, and then our SEO is 92. So pretty good performance that we're getting from mobile. And desktop, it's even better with 100% performance, accessibility 96, best practices 96, and SEO 92. So really, really good in terms of core web vitals. And there's a setting under domains and hosting. Once you've connected in your actual URL, you could do an SEO boost on Bolt to ensure again that your pages and everything indexes and your website is being found by Google. So again, that's how you would get started. Just head over to astro.build, find some free themes, open it up on GitHub, copy a fork of, or create a fork of that repository, then head over to bolt.new and choose your repository from GitHub. And you can either start uploading your content from the tables, or if you want to create a block style admin, like what I did in today's video, check the description. I'll give you the complete prompt. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by giving us a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.